Hi all, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing good. Two places at home has to be cleaned and organized very often. That is the kitchen and the cupboards. Things at these two places gets misplaced very easily. So, started my work with cleaning my kitchen trolley and rack as I wanted to refill it with onions and other things. This is my helping hand, my daughter Alia, and the one sitting at the back is my son Rehan. My daughter is always super ready to help me in everything I do, and I really feel blessed to have her in my life. After cleaning the kitchen, took some rest and came back to prepare iftar. The menu was egg puff, egg pocket samosa and porridge. We use kitchen towels to place our chopping board on it. After some time of use, we see stains on the towels which are very tough to remove. So, to avoid this, here is a tip. Use a tissue, place the chopping board on it. The tissue will help you hold the chopping board as firm as the towel does. Coming back to the recipe, to prepare egg puff, I chopped around 3 medium sized onions. In a kadai or pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions. And once the onion turns to translucent, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and give a mix. I did not notice that my camera was off when I was adding dry masalas. So, once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, I added half a teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt according to the taste and cook the masala for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Once the masala is cooked, add some coriander leaves. In an egg boiler, I placed 4 eggs and allowed it to boil. Once the eggs are boiled, I transfer the eggs into ice cold water. This helps to remove the eggshells very easily. Once the shells are removed, cut the eggs into two equal halves. These are the puff sheets which I'll be using to make egg puffs, which are easily available in any supermarkets. Place the prepared masala in the middle and spread it. On top, place a half boiled egg and pack the puff from all the four sides as shown. In bakeries, they do give a egg wash on the puff, which gives a brownish and a shining layer on the puff. But here I am applying melted butter, which also gives a brownish and a shining layer on the puff. I did not have baking sheets to place puff on it, so I simply applied some butter on baking tray and placed the puff on it. Place the baking tray in an electric oven, adjust the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and keep the timer to 30 minutes. To cook the puff perfectly, the heat flow should be on top and the bottom, so adjust the same in the oven. Finally, here it is. The puffs are baked perfectly brown and with a shining layer on it. To prepare egg pocket masala, I took two medium sized onions, chopped them finely. In a pan or a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, add the chopped onion and saute till translucent. Add finely chopped 1 green chili and some chopped coriander leaves. I added 4 eggs to the onion, scrambled it and allowed it to cook for some time. To make it more healthier, I chopped half a carrot into cubes and added into the egg masala. Gave a mix and allowed the carrot to cook for some time. After 5 minutes, add half a teaspoon of pepper powder and salt according to the taste. In a small bowl, add 2 teaspoons of maida and water to make a slurry. This slurry is used to hold the samosa sheets. These are the samosa sheets which are again easily available in any supermarkets. Take a samosa sheet, apply the mixture of maida and water on it. Then place the other sheet and give a gentle press so that the samosa sheet stick to each other. Take around 1.5 tablespoon of prepared egg masala and spread it over the sheet. Fold the sheet as shown. Take some oil for deep frying the pocket samosas. Once the oil is hot, drop the samosas one by one and fry until the samosas are crisp and golden brown. I have already posted the porridge recipe in my previous vlog. We'll share you the link in the description box. Please do check for the recipe and try. It was time for iftar, arranged the dining table, and prayed Almighty to grant everyone with His best blessing and good health. That's all in today's video. Hope you all liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in another video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.